Son Rosie, stop on the screen and share life.
Don't listen to it.
Girls, you're $500,
One Branston.
Alright, baby.
10 out of 10. Mama look good, watch it. 10 out of 10, look good. That is it. That is it. I come right now.
In the building. Subscribe everything.
Yeah.
Always want to meet him. You're going to meet some more, don't worry.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
When you come back, bigger one 360. Make them see your good body. Look here, man. Oh my word. Figure that. Mass! All the time. That is it, bro. Look good, no, man. Jenna, this, you know me now pass him spot. Look good, no, man. Back and straight.
3, 4 and 5.
Back and straight. Look good.
5. Mother Jada. New blouse come, new blouse there. 3, 4 and 5 gear blouse. 3, 4 and 5 gear blouse.
And the Dan pants, and the man pants. Who will see a man pants on a town? I don't have down with it. I don't have Bedford Street with it. I don't have down with it. Bedford Street, look on the man, your pants. Look on the Dan, your pants. Your pants. All man pants. All man pants. Oh, yes. Yes. Yo.
That's all.
China boy can't do that shit.
Can't do this. We can't have black people them brawling. I want to man Jamaica walk by.
Yes.
Remember good. I got a low show it. Alright, them know what come next. I teach Basta living. Remember good, man.
Yeah, massive big up and respect. You don't know it's down a town, one Jamaica walk by. It's all about a great vibes. And Mr. Massive, if video start off so good. And I come out of vehicle so. Mr. Somebody say, yo, Jamaica walk by, are you that? And I say, yeah. No, watch your dolly here. Watch your dolly here. The video that started. I want Jamaica. Hi, my friend, how are you?
Good, great,
that is
excellent.
It. Look good, no, man. All the way from London, right?
All the way from London.
That is it, I come right now.
In the building. Subscribe everything.
Yeah.
Always want to meet him. You're going to meet some more, don't worry.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
When you come back, bigger one 360. Make them see your good body. Look here, man. Oh my word. Figure that.
You got market to buy ground provision and fruits.
I say you got market at...
Yeah.
I say you come out and you got
Coronation
market.
Market.
Lord of mercy. So you say you hear me there, you're good. Big up some people before you go.
Yeah, big up my son, Lance. Yeah.
Big up to Lance every time. Anyway, when they know?
I'm there London.
I'm there London now.
Big up my son, Lance.
Yes, so she's...
Introduce me to you.
I'm at...
Start watching.
Big up yourself even more, Lance.
Big up all of my kids, them.
Figure that.
My sister, I don't know.
I don't know. So with there, it's all love. Thank you so much for watching the channel. Yeah, you come right out, well put together. I saw you got market.
Let me tell you this.
Yeah.
You have been loved.
Oh my word.
A lot of people love you. There's a lot of people watch you.
Watch the man, watch love the man.
Yeah.
Big up our respect.
Go and keep up the good work, man.
No joke. Thank you so much.
Now, okay?
Be safe, alright?
Take
With
care.
there. See?
Yeah,
you big up, your name Lance, right?
Yeah.
Big up again, Lance. Your mother come right out. Big up our respect. Outside with that. Auntie, big up yourself. No joke. Dolly settings. What you mean? So massive, I don't town with there and it's all about a great vibe. You know, we're just gonna walk through, we're gonna show you the natural vibe off downtown. Oh, my friend. Yeah, me can't give a shout out. You're not on Instagram. Eh? You're not on Instagram? Oh shit, me go before me go. Baby girl, you're on Instagram? You too. Cause you know she know.
Instagram,
you're on. Oh, me don't give her a shout out. So you don't cost me. See, remember for art.
I remember. Because I don't use it much.
Yeah. Alright, one love again here. That is it. No joke, no down. So yeah, that's how we do it. We're outside and we have to do after a great start. Jamaica walk by. So we're just gonna walk through downtown and catch a natural vibe, the natural ambiances, all of the great stuff. So you know, so every year right at some park, if you want your vehicle be safe and all of that, you park a big tree right on Pecan Street. You see me? You're parking over the other side too. Yeah, very safe. If I'm not this one, I the one over there. So big up and respect and massive. It's not a narrating video. We're just gonna walk through. We're just gonna catch a natural vibe, natural ambiances. People are buy, people are sell, all of that. Zin? So it's just gonna be great. So if you're just watching and you know you're new to the channel, please may I ask if you subscribe. May I wait? Start like your video, may I wait? Oh you mean? But tell you something, not even get it start good. And I be a dolly. Big up yourself again, you know what I mean? So look good. Get it right. So now don't like the video. So all I person will actually like the video, thank you so much. All I person when new and you subscribe, thank you so much as well. One love, big respect to you all. Let's do this, man. Let's go. So yeah, big up to the dolly them. I tell you, vibe nice, the vibe right, it start off good. Yo, downtown right now, chaotic. The traffic is serious. Look on the overhead. The overhead shot them at the traffic. Madam, what? Traffic like whoa. I made us me just park over here, so big tree, arm park over that one, center camera. You know your vehicle safe and all them little thing there. And yeah, but traffic crazy right now down at town. Yeah. You have a bill for this. If you can do this. No joke, no doubt. Remember me tell you. So right now in that video, I'm telling you we just go roam through. We just go see the natural vibe down at town. And it go just great. No joke, no doubt. So we're on Pecan Street, so we could start here on Pecan Street and then we're going right to Beckford Street. Work away going at the crowd a little bit and we're going to do the whole of town, yeah. So this promising to be a long video. I may say this is a Saturday downtown and it is a Saturday before Grand Market, before Christmas and all of them things. Yo, my teacher, you're up on it again, man. Big up yourself and respect, see? Yeah. Mad love, mad respect, my boss. Always out here do it. At the world, Patman and all of them things there, you know what I mean? Me always interview him, always give my strength every single year, you see it? No joke, big up yourself, mommy in red. One love and thing, blessings, man. So, we say good, you take it easy. Respect and manners and love always, man, every time. Yeah. So see there all of my baker, them make sure so on the reach and I see him baking thing them, man. Look good no man right on Pecan Street, man. I'm not telling about him and have to support him. See all the big one them, man. How easy. That's how we are doing. Big up on yourself, my Jamaica walk by massive as we go through. Blessed respect and thing. Yeah. Down a town, festive start as we roll through. You see me? A long time in the town full up, so look over the car park. Oh my word. So in another video I know we're not going to do much talking, none at all. We just go choosing. So I enjoy the natural vibe, natural ambiances and all of that. And please me I beg you to like the video. You have to do that. Please like the video so we can reach more people. And if you're new, please me I beg you to subscribe to the channel. You hear that? Saying one love and let's do this. Fish and thing on the side there. That is it, man. Big up yourself, heart of love, see? Yeah. Outside of the, yeah. You know, it's like Christmas look merry.
Yeah, man, it look merry.
You have life, you have safety, prayer. We just have a prayer for your family and our friend them and ourselves, you know?
Yeah, man.
So we can go through blessings and love. Continue watching video then, you hear that? Right. That is it, no joke, no doubt. Down at town. I say, I see a long time I see downtown, so full. So this is a Pecan Street. Massive there, one of my J, you understand? One Branston Fashion.
Branston Fashion, you can check it out on Instagram. Branston Fashion. Yeah guys, I don't know what's the maddest thing for Christmas. Latest thing, latest beat, latest jeans, latest shirt, latest everything. Just link up.
Online store, no joke, no doubt. Yeah man. Let's go.
Go mama the farmer in the bed, 400 against skeleton, 400. 400 upon get skeleton, 400. Skeleton and time 500. 500 against skeleton and time 500. We have tomato 500 upon. 500 upon get tomato 500. 500 upon get tomato.
Shete! Shete Fashion! Living cast. Yeah man, no see already pass me a pass through. You know you think the man
Almost done, you know.
almost.
Where you see the money bees, look there, you see the bees. Him not sing me, you know. Because me a part of the family, where you see the bees, you know, and money. You know that, though. But what you know, anyway, fully Gaza, Freedom Street, right around the corner, you know, the thing where it's a week after next. Me and my friend shall, we shall be at Freedom Street with couple girl in the back seat. You hear that? Freedom Street and a normal thing, when we say Gaza, you know, and a plating. Jamaica, walk by. One to the town, we are enjoy every day in the town.
Every
You hear
day.
that? I remember we see Christmas from last week when we do the last interview. Because from them time they were there and we don't it.
No joke, Shete.
One done at all. Casa living,
Casa living.
that is it. Other than me knows.
I'm out. That a bit general Shete, you know we can't afford Dogatown. I don't give Shete a one link, a one page, a CS feed. Dogatown is festive, it's beautiful. Crazy clothes them everywhere. Zoom in, zoom in. Yeah, look my wagwan. Yeah. Clothes, all of the latest fashion them. Dogatown. Yeah, my teacher.
Subscribe and talk to you now.
Mad respect, I love the man. Blessings and respect.
TV, on YouTube.
Yeah? How you think go? How you go?
Taylor Acid TV.
Taylor Acid TV. So massive, make sure to subscribe to Taylor Acid TV. No joke. Big up and respect. Yeah, as a next content creator.
Go over there, go watch Taylor Acid TV. Hear that?
Tell
Yeah
him.
man, Jamaica walk by. Me always watch him. You see me?
Big up the teacher.
See me?
Artalog.
Subscribe. Hear that?
Artalog.
Yeah,
Taylor.
man.
Taylor Acid.
Yeah, Taylor.
Taylor Acid TV. Big up. Make sure to subscribe. Oh?
Cameron.
Cameron.
Yeah, man.
There's a camera from all over here.
Yeah,
That is it, the man. Big up and respect. I'm a G them, man. Mad respect.
Yeah.
Hear that, bro. Taylor Acid TV. No joke. Make sure to check out him channel on YouTube and subscribe to him thing. Mad respect. You hear that? No joke. Make a walk through.
Christmas now, drink and feel merry.
No, me now pass. It's that time. It's that time.
Well, cool, let's try there. Drink and feel merry at Christmas now. Yeah, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yeah, come. Don't know outside there.
Outside, we say, man, stack up for the hustling this time. No joke.
Yeah,
This time around, it's all about big and better. Red stripes, it's all about Heineken, it's all about the light beer, it's all about the chips, the water, the juices. No joke. You understand? Outside. Big up against the teacher, always. You know what I mean?
Never forget them.
Yeah. Bassa living. Bassa living.
Yeah, I'm not
That
saying
is it.
everybody smoke weed, you know.
Yeah.
Have different strain of weed and love all the man them are doing the weed nowadays.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah. Remember, man, I'm going to weed song now.
Oh, you say, oh, chop a tune.
Yeah.
Give me a song.
I said that weed a bad. Me that love for burn all $1,000 bag. I grade get me in the mood when me in the yum up on the highway a cruise. Coming from country cruising and my twin star. Me about 2 pounds of weed a par. Ring ring, pick up my ganja cellular. My ganja girl a call us a spot a cop car. Give me stage and let him go. Yeah. Big up yourself, my boss. Always man, heart I love, see? Don't know. That's where I drop the show. I go here to walk and talk. I go drop the song next year.
Big up to walk and talk.
Big up walk and talk.
Man, outside.
Everybody like us.
Big that.
Everybody all over the world.
That is it. Good.
Not just the family alone. Big up all who are dealing with positiveness.
Not just a family.
Right, that's right.
Man, outside. Yeah, man. We're outside. Downtown does festive already. Let's go.
Blows are 3, 4, 5. Man guns are 5 bills. Man guns are 5 bills. Joggers $800. $200 rolls. Man friend top up the scheme and share the life. $300 blows. $300. Man guns are 500.
Trading.
Man guns are 500. $300 blows. $400 blows.
Yo, look how long you do this and I still I get burned. Big up my boss. One neck boss, come out of the way. Come on, surrender. Yeah, the general neck boss. Come on, town, active. Look good. One neck boss. No joke, no doubt. Always in the street, right from Beacon Street. Yeah, no joke, no doubt, man. Big up and love to everybody, you see me? Outside with it. Yeah.
Blows and 3 and 4. Blows and 3 and 4. Shorts and tights and blows and dress. Shorts and tights and blows and dress. Joggers and man gandy. Joggers and man gandy. Shorts. Look on them 5 and 22 on ya. Look on them big shots ya.
Fire, where's the last it?
And what you want? Eat a Christmas now. You hear? What you want? Man gandy are 500. Blows are 3 bills. Blows are 4 bills. Blows are 5 bills. Joggers are 8 bills. Tights are 4 bills. Tights are 4 bills. Guns and Roses. My side, send me a lion. No man dreading me. Top of the screen and share the light my side. Look on them up over here, so lady. Look over here, so me there. Look over the side of the world, yeah. Oh, me have joggers, me have palazza, me have shorts, me have tights, me have man ganzi. $500 give your man ganzi. $500 give your man ganzi. Joggers are $800, lady. You not have to buy if you look. Joggers are 800. Man ganzi 5 bills. Man ganzi 5 bills.
Yo, different kind of vibe.
$300 blows, $400 blows. 3 bills blows and 4 bills blows. 3 bills blows, $300 blows. 4 and 5 year blows, $300 blows. 4 and 5 year blows, 3 bills blows and 4 bills blows. Man ganzi like a 500. Joggers like a 800. Man ganzi 500. 500 and 500. Man ganzi 500. Man ganzi 500. 3 bills blows, 4 bills blows, 5 bills blows, 3 bills blows. Top of the screen and share the life, my side, no me trading win. Man ganzi are 5 bills. My side, no me trading win. Please me I beg you, send me a money gun, send me a wheel, send me a galaxy. Man ganzi 500. $200 blows, $400 blows, $500 blows. My side 5 bills. Joggers are 800. Look on the contact, look on the joggers.
Big up, man. Here go right. Outside. Remember me tell you that. We outside. Remember me tell you that. Look good. Bacon straight. No joke.
Right on Lily stall, Bedford jeans pants every time for Lily stall. Pants are from $1,500 so come. Right down at town with the $1,500 jeans. We have shirt, blouse and jersey. We have ladies jeans dress. Only for something there. Just come look.
That is it. Outside. Good.
100% human hair lace wig we have ANSI. We have pixie, body wave, water wave, deep wave, bag,
Don't forget ladies jeans. Don't forget 12,000, 15, 18 ladies jeans. Remake fashion have a massive jeans of ladies jeans every color, every size.
Seal out. Walk over that store, come take a good look.
Rock with them boy and sick like
Yeah man, at the Royal Jewelry Store, this is down at town. Anything where you want in a jewelry, you can reach right us up on Bedford Street. No joke, no doubt. You hear me, I tell you, look good. Right us up. Easy. Let's go. Jeans.
Yeah,
everything, look good.
Yes, I do. High grade store. Remember me tell you, we have the good jeans, the man jeans, and we have a darker sponsor for the man them upstairs. $1,500 give a darker sponsor. Come upstairs, come look for the sponsor. We have the cancel them a sell out from the man cancel them. Man cancel, we have them a sell out. Walk over that store, come take a look. $1,500
Outside. Jamaica walk by. Yeah. So good, a good circle to it up. Yeah. You're easy than that.
$500.
See you alone.
Don't at all. One t-shirt, $500 man t-shirt. $500 man t-shirt. Man t-shirt $500.
Outside.
$500. Man t-shirt $500.
Everything got to go. Listen good.
Hello, man t-shirt $500. We are do it, man. Along a town, yeah? Along a town, alone you can get a treat this year. Man t-shirt $400. Man t-shirt $500. Man t-shirt and t-shirt. Man t-shirt and t-shirt. Hello, man t-shirt $400. Hello, man t-shirt $400.
Outside.
Hello, man t-shirt, yeah? Man t-shirt $400. Man t-shirt $400. Hello, man t-shirt $400, yeah? Hello, man t-shirt $400.
Mass! That is it, bro. Look good, no man. Cheddar this, you know me now pass him spot. Look good, no man. Bacon straight.
3, 4 and 5.
Bacon straight, look good.
4 and 5. Mother jada. New blouse come, new blouse there. 3, 4 and 5 gear blouse. 3, 4 and 5. 5, we have blows to Barbie,
Like all
blows
the
to
time,
Teddy.
any weather. Remember, downtown, a J fashion, and we go. Otherwise known as J. Mark the face, give us a piece of them. And fireboard!
3, 4, and 5 years.
Outside.
Mouth full of gold for crime, man.
Every day.
Mouth full of gold for crime.
Every day, boy. Brooks. We got that Magnum a bit.
This not the funny we no want it.
Jesus. We got that. So, me see down here, I'm a the whole like crooks. Them, you know, crooks in a ass type. A sport board crook. Normal crooks. Every size, every color. Down at town. Beckford Street.
I be no
joke. Listen.
Bitter ass. God, me
All them in the artists.
Watch out. God of life.
They got that down at town. Remember good no man?
Mouth full of gold for crime.
Mouth full of gold for crime. No joke. Pick up yourself. Outside with it.
Man shots, 12 bunch I get woman shots, and 1,000 I get woman shots. Over there, someone I can just steal. 1,000 a woman shots, 12 bunch of woman shots, 12 bunch of woman pants, 12 bunch of man pants, 1,000 a t-shirt, 1,000 a t-shirt. Over here, someone 1,000 I get a man shots, and 12 bunch I get woman shots, and 1,000 I get woman shots. 12 bunch of woman pants, 12 bunch of man pants, 1,000 a t-shirt.
Outside the teacher.
12 bunch of woman pants, 12 bunch of man pants, 12 bunch of woman pants, 12 bunch of man pants, 1,000 a t-shirt, 1,000 a man shots, 12 bunch of get woman shots, and 1,000 a get woman shots. Over here, someone I come catch a steal. 1,000 a woman shots, 12 bunch of woman shots, 12 bunch of woman pants, 12 bunch of man pants, 1,000 a t-shirt, 1,000 a t-shirt.
Fire! Bad artists! Heal! That's a code, you hear that? No joke, no. Don't go down at all. Madam bad, you know it. Yo, I get them Rasta, you know. Down at all, Beckford Street. No joke, no, they hear that. But take time, go through it, you know. See? Please. That is it. Take outside the bar. Call one fast. Not a chance. Outside. If they got that, call one boss. We catch a party already. Call one boss. Yeah man, don't say already. We catch the shoes already. Oh, see? Not change, call one boss. You know my special them always have it. I say, yo, you know me can't pass your thing, them you know me always have a showcases. Yo, right, all of them I say just sweet. Call one boss, Beckford Street, I'm a brother.
Yeah, what's money about that, man?
No joke, always. Remember, to support him, you know. See, never pass call one boss. You hear that? No joke, outside. Look up what these two circles.
Every pick of the clap the man trade new clothes. Every pick of the clap the man trade new clothes, girl. $300. $300. Hey, I'm gonna give them when I come here. But I'm gonna be dirty decent man for you. Does it eat with my book? Sure, so we can share the auntie. Auntie, me a thief, auntie, the pay me take your money around God. Auntie, me a thief, so don't compare me. Auntie, me that big cook. Yeah, man, 300 and a bargain, so we can share it. See, no, that
Big up your damn self.
Yeah, man, 300 and a bargain, auntie, $300. Yeah, know that in a short time, in a tight time, man. Yeah, man, just go big up and take a pay line. Bargain time, discount time. Man, I'm going to come and go to the place, some of them, if you know you're doing it. 300 and a bargain. Man, I don't want to pay 50 and this, I still have to be a clothes, and they have to sell over 3 and 4. 300, 400 and a bargain. Come here, girl, bargain time, discount time. 3 days, $300, $400. Come here, girl, 3 days and 4 days. Hey, she come back again, and she bring a friend. She said the clothes them sleep like separated. She buy $5, $500. And when she come back, because she buy $10, $300 bargain. Hello, $300. Here already now. Hey, 300. You never give me that. 300. It's never for that. 300. But I'm gonna give it for the price. But I just come dig up and take up, man. $300 bargain. $300 bargain.
Active. Yeah, man, 300 bargain. Yeah, man, I just got big up and take it. Yeah, man, 300 and 300. But 3 bills. Got big up and take it. Yes, man. Remember, don't fool it up. Yes, auntie, me not gonna afford the price. I'm gonna share the auntie. Remember, don't pay me. Me a big crook. Yeah, my father, man, don't come pay me. Me take your money and drop it off my phone. Hey, that's your need to know. $300. 3 bills. Why you never go?
That is good skilling, yeah? Learn. Oh, see it, murderation. You know behind our friend, walk by, talk by, sit by, smoke by, drive by. Yo, how are you there from morning? How are you there to make the party move? You know how the man punch them and run down yourself? Yo, you're here, bitch. You see the man that just come from England? Walk and link him there for me. Yo, link him over there so you know he come from England. How England him just come from? See him there? Right here, so see him there with the man there. Go link him there, tell him me send for that. See him there? Give him a battery.
Outside.
Holiday wear, man cheese, man shots, lovely people.
Jamaica walk back.
Man cheese, man shots, see out when the pants and shots and Kingston.
Oh, Vybz.
See out when the man cheese and shots. Man cheese, man shots, Kingston. Link me now. No cheese, no shots, no Kingston I sell out. Lovely people, man cheese, man shots, see what the ones and shots are.
Jamaica walk by.
Man cheese, man shots, see what the man cheese and shots. Man shots, can see. New cheese, new shots, new Jansia salute. Find out shows, holiday wear, man cheese, man shots. Lovely people. Man cheese, man shots, see out for the fans and shots and cancer. Man cheese, man shots, see out for the man cheese and shots. Man cheese, man shots, cancer. Link me now. New cheese, new shots, new cancer salute.
You know the thing, yeah man, yes man, you see the people them must take up the pants them. You see the people them must take up the 2.5 and the 2 grand pants them. Look on the 2 grand pants them. You see me daughter how she look. Yeah man, big up yourself man. You know what the mirror anyway in America you dey big up yourself. If you die you think with a happy, the thing with a bother, the thing with a nice. All man pants over here so check me now. One dan pants. Yeah, you link the teacher, you link the teacher, you the dan pants, the man pants. Who was the man pants on the town? I don't have down with it. I don't have Bedford Street with it. I don't have down with it. Bedford Street, look on the man left pants. Look on the dan left pants. Look on the man left pants. I do grand mess all about it. We chop hard press. 1, 2 grand, dan pants. Come now! Go look for the teacher. Go look for the teacher. Outside. Over here, so Mr. the dan pants. Go and come for you. Spend you 1 day doing this. Yeah. All man pants. Over here, sir. Yes.
Outside. Why I said out fast. Everything I got in there now. We don't see it. Everything got there. Everything that's the one.
They are still love the play. Don't know that church on. Pick up the boss and they are still. You understand? Love all the place look and think. Them can't be the man, understand? Can't come through and shop. Like the crowd, yeah.
Yeah, love the crowd. Love the crowd. Salon, the big change them, the cargo change them, everything. Got to go. Got to go. Watch this man. Whoa, that is it. Salon, Maple Street.
Downtown, 1500.
Easy. Easy.
Go home. Lady, I like me like people on the dog. Lady, I don't turn it up. 1500. Lady, a big so. Lady, a big so.
Forget the word jeans, we have word jeans over here. We have favorite jeans, special, black jeans and special as well. We have big one, small one, medium size one, lady about to big like that, you button, we still have your size.
See another spot here. See the Vybz Kartel shirt and the Freedom Street. Make sure it's on the there. See there. All sort of shirt. See all the L-star them up there. So make sure so we get them on the general. This is it. Lord, the ball out and we never catch him. No catch him, brass. Figure that. Yeah, no joke, no doubt. That is it. Figure that, my bro. Outside. Oh, so all the Christmas look. Later, go on. Sell out. Everything got to go. Yeah, man, we can't mix them. No joke. Bigger. Jewelry them. Yeah. Forward on. Cheap. Go, big up yourself, my friend. That is it.
Number one coming up. Right in front, Basco, downtown, Bedford Street. Yeah, forgot to hear that.
Right in front of Basco. Figure that.
$500 a man tap. Big man a $500 a man tap. They are the marina them are 5 bills. They are the polar them are 500. Round and Yancy them are 5 bills. Here at Pascal them are 5 bills.
Big man. Everything got to go.
He might walk past him, steer it up, and then he stop, and then he turn around. So in the down.
They would have salt. Come on, get it. That's what I be from. Come on, get it out of here. And run, go away. Bro, what go on?
I'll go on, there, man. Last time I give him this side.
Cho, where they are now? They're all over, you know. Anytime we pass you, we don't see you. Alright, I understand. Say less. Big up. That is it. And the soul run back that side.
$1,000 we have clit, navel, nose and ears ring. Clit, navel, nose and ears ring. $1,000 any piercing. So come and touch the seal.
You don't have to pay if you feel any pain. You hear that? So go there. 150, baby. 150. 150, auntie. 150, mother. 150, mother. Yo, I should have tapped it. Garris. Oh, and G Garris, you don't know a thing, but no, Joe, you're a massive superstar in the street. G Garris, make sure to check out the new music them. Or the new one go again.
Pull up with a ziggy have a chip though. Can't hear for me receipt just a drip. Clocks for my foot, skinny jeans drip. Benz spark up and make your girl wet quick. Ah, me money think get up in a shit. Give me for the voice and what J Garrison do. Right, that's up.
Bad, anytime, G. Bad, respect. You're outside, see it? Heart of love. Remember, I link you up, you know. See it? Yeah, that is it. Outside.
Get big discount on shoes, clothes, perfumes, watches, jackets, suit. Special offer only for valid customers. We have suitcases and fans on sale. Come and grab now.
Pull up in the Yeah, come here and do it. Don't block up the door.
Dog say don't have to
But
pay
you
to
don't
feel
see
the
chicken
pain.
and cheese. Well, taste it.
Big vinegar $100, $150. Big vegetable island $500, $600. Medium vegetable island $300. Small vegetable island $200. Crop island $100, $150. Lime juice $150. Coconut rice $180. Banana rice
Take your time, mommy. He's the roots man, want to fight back the roots man. They actually move him from down there.
Mara sorrel and gungo, sorrel and gungo. Mara Irish and two bits of poor, mara two bits Irish. Irish and two bits of poor, mara two bits Irish. Mara Irish and two bits of poor, mara all of them two bits.
Oh, go on. Still the panic, man. Big up yourself, hear that? Mommy, original bush brother we used to do here, so. I wish I him there now. Yeah, I want to wish I him still. A Jamaica walk by man, because you know say last time he come and give me a show, you know say they come and move everything and all, so enough people that leave me back and so they find him back. But so I'm trying to find back the roots, general.
3 magazines are 100. Jamaica 300. Branding sardine at 200. Branding tuna at 200.
Oh! We run as them put here, my dog. Blouse and skirt. I search for you now. All the people link me and say, you're not dead again. And I say, no, man, the man dead. I say, I do a video where they are him dead.
Yes,
man,
yes,
the man
yes.
say, them not dead.
Man, let the man lit the shop, man.
I that me a year, see me find you back right as soon as. So you say you're there now.
Yeah, man.
Big up and respect massive. So open the switch at me reach. When time I find him, which I me ask him and switch at him there. Still there with the roots them and all of that. Me I hope some people actually call you and think, no joke, no doubt. The real roots man. Me I tell you, no joke for body cleanser, your immune, for your immunized system, all of them thing there. Boost up yourself, get it right, clean out your colon and all them thing there. Right, that's what this are the man. Tell them my number again, which of them can reach you.
Man, my number 356 09 93.
356-0993.
No location. You have come to Princess Street, between Princess Street and Mattis Lane to find me now.
That is it.
Yeah,
so I walk and forward so they can see exactly which part I walk.
Yeah.
So if you know which part to forward and give the like massive yes, some buy my roots them. Me can't stop talk about the cleanser there. The colon cleanser there when I tell you say clean me out. Ready. Me feel like me just born. No joke. Brandon is all him. I want to give one, you know. Cause from what them I move lazy, you know. You want one of that, then we just clean him out and get rid of all like corruption them and put him back on the road. All them I know, what about them here?
They're not chain the road.
Chain the road. That is it. What chain the road good for?
Iron.
Oh, iron. That is it, man. So some of the roots them already bottled up and all of them things they can come and just differentiate the price so you want and you're gone right through. You see me? Remember, see the general there, link him up. See all the things them here. No joke, no doubt. Massive, anybody see me endorse and blast so I make sure testy so I know. Big up again my teacher, I'm glad I find about me know chat today, you know.
Yes,
yeah. So all of my Jamaica walk by massive them I link me upon the roots guy. So I find him back right so. You see me I say on the switch out my walk. Alright, over this hour, 15 Awood Street. The store there, look on it. Alright across from the same day. You see it? No joke, no doubt. You can't miss him. Right side of the big sunshine snap building. See? That is it. Big up again on outside. See? That is it. Eh? You know what I said? Me I go call and talk to you, man. You understand? So we can reason. You hear that? Me I go call you. See? Big up. That is it. No joke, no doubt. Real G that. Yeah. The weirdest thing. Yeah, I tell you what Judge I know. Church sister, big up. Look for them. Lock to there. One soul to sell out, cargo here, one soul.
Brother, his biscuit at 50. Brother, his biscuit at 50. Jumbo chocolate at 50.
get charged of. Don't mess up with me, not cut down. All the girls that we talk of, but the party starts, you wanna know. We get started up before we start. Come tell what the man can't see no man.
Taxi man, they must have ruling. Yeah, because the police say that. And the man still tap, let out, and take up it up. It's like you find them up. He's this is a youth.
The police did not stop doing it. They did not stop them to that. You know the stop for? The traffic flow.
Yo, I just threw the traffic stand up a while ago, make you see them just be like, bother yeah, man. And look, yeah, there's nothing. See, I'm more time that I go in some of them lane there, bro. Oh, you see, man, them sell, bro. It's like, they don't make it easy.
And Marcia?
You understand what I say? Because like that happened around this a while ago. I saw all of them stays. Like you have to say, like, they want to come sell in a public street. You know what I say? It's like, I don't even know. Where that? Down them one day? Yeah. Never. I never bother look for go down some of them holiday there. Cause I say, the man them weird, bro. Sometimes even when you're down there and they are carry go show you two things and you don't want it, they make it look like say a war they want warrior. You see me I say? Like you waste them time and you do this and that. Like I said, bro, you just don't like it, you see me? Like I said, yo, we just don't want it. And then feel to believe that. You have some arcade, bro. When you're not going at them none at all based on experience, bro. Cause like the worst thing. The man then dark, brother. What am I saying? Alright, I know my friend. Big up yourself though. On the other side of the more fast service.
Some people are getting them size thin.
Try to move fast when them a play music, you know? Just try to move fast when them a play music. Mix body. Should I mix the band? Yeah, but then change the rhythm. Like me attack. Then change the rhythm on it. Band. Alright, I know my boss. See.
Outside the outside.
Sorry.
We never trouble control, trouble complain. Image of maintain, so you know the foot clear.
Today is like a today.
Check out the price, check out the deal.
It's like a 2-day grand market.
Yes, that's what him say. Them are done, them are done.
You can get one of the head cap there.
So come and catch the sale, and remember, you don't have to pay if you feel any pain. It's right over
You can't pass this on a set. You don't have to pay if you feel any pain. We are dealing with the boss. You know, so back at it again. Big up yourself, my teacher. Did that, hey, what if you don't tell him? I said, don't carry your girl uptown. Remember, do that.
When people have been away for our next something, hey, you say she'll have to check her out.
Yeah, man, she know a chop covers.
She wish for the star. She wish for the star, turn you up in the sky. She wish for the star and the Lord catch her eyesight, man. Bumbo clad. You know that. She wish for the star.
Yeah.
And a ray catch her eyesight, man.
Bigger that the teacher.
Yeah, them girls walk up and down. Some of them are going to fuck for pants. Some of them are going to fuck for shoes. Some of them are fuck for Christmas money. The girl has a beer fucking chillolo, beer fucking box, right?
Yeah, but big up yourself, my boss. Yeah. I'm a G, man. Yeah, we're going easy at all.
Man, G,
oh, God.
Who couldn't clean 500 after that. Yeah, man, I'm 500. Nike, them on 5 bills. Keyboard, them on 500. Concrete, them on 5 bills. Tell me what you want and give 5 bills to them. Alias, them on 500.
Any cat, 500. 500.
Take it away, the mommy.
Feel out over here, some of them feel out. You have the cover jeans, you have boyfriend jeans, you have best foot jeans, you have jeans pants, you have jeans pants.
Big driver.
The ginger are 400 a pound. Irish are 200 a pound. Onion are 200 a pound.
Enough for me now.
Yeah, dog. And that vibe there again.
Any stickers are 500. Any stickers are 500.
Runner.
Eh? Like who that? I mean, like Kent then? Yeah, bro, I'm not there. It's still away. What? Mr. Trinidad. Don't you so? Yeah, can of birds. Big up every time. You hear that? Outside, bro. No joke. Manners of the teacher. Remember good enough. They always a rule.
Big up on you, when you interview.
When there? Yeah, me see that video there with me when me there on the side of that. When there? If me can't see him right there, man, that's an artist right now, bro.
Number dog.
But I give him a bunch of songs to right now for talk.
Give me a time. Give me an idea. When you alright, no.
Grand Market Day. Alright. See? Alright then. That is it. Get all the number if anything. So if when we reach the short, that's the number. Alright. Madam Bad.
250 to our phone and let it, mother, let it a 500 phone.
1200 pounds, 12.
That's what I think to it. Don't I know? You have some place some will be like, yeah, got you baby. And then some will just be like, zip it. But then again, everybody are going to watch everything. Everything again extremely big way. Without looking, you'll find it. Understand me I say? Soon get there still doing it, bro. Soon get there though. But without a doubt, you're going to just know about it. I want them to get that big and so time I reach when I can't walk. Yes, I got it. Yeah, same way. But it's like we are quality boss, I went down the same. I went there. Yo, artist, big artist like place. I say I walk through this time. Which are their ends? Yo, we are going to enter. We have to follow. A quality man.
Anyone who watch it, I treat it no, I treat it shot, I try to shirt, I treat it no, I treat it shot, I treat it shirt, I treat it
outside.
I treat it
So far. They got quality, Alright, that's on the day I know. Bossman Bex dog. I circle man, I grew it bro. I grew up. So you only said out. You know it's still the music already we are playing right now. So. Bombard, quality boss thing, right now so quality boss. Remember good no man, but DJ, big artist. Yes sir. How would that sir? Watching plazas, skirt. Big up every time, all is well. With them boat man. I try to reach down here so now. Yeah. Quality boss. Big up every time. That is it. Right, that's up. Tell them to try it.
Alright, just some of them are right at Princess Street, man. Look, that's up.
Alright,
don't forget Universal. Remember, good now, man. I asked some of them, man. Look at them things there. $600 again, energies, margins, overseas, short.
6 That is it.
Remember, say cheap and clean with selfie and living on the music.
Selfie, listen to me, man. 6 bills, God. I remember before I wouldn't buy this, you get what you know. Remember me tell you, everything where you got, them guts to go. Look good. Oh, God. We see a cartel and play. Hey, look good now, man. Hold on, let me touch him. Look good now, man.
Man can see for 5 years. When I take off $1, they might cheat you.
$500.
500.
Look good.
Yeah, man.
5 days, 5 days, 5 days.
A cheap Christmas.
Cheap.
From Manchester, $500. You can have $500.
500. Reach. Grand Market.
Look for them.
Feel the quality. Whoa. $500. God. Remember good now, man. We got that respect my boss. So chat them there, right in front of Universal Cash and Carry. See them good? Food outside. Madam mad. We there. So yeah, right there. So big up the quality boss. I don't know, my DJ Bridging. Start up in one thing right down there. So you see it, no joke, no down. Madam bad. Where I'm gone? Alright, tell him I'm so road through again, see? More respect, you hear that? Come through, Brandon. DJ, walk on, we got the mic. You put it on already? See a lot, everything got to go. Everything got to go. Big up every time. Big up. Yeah, walk one, sir, me. Outside. Big up that, man. That is it. Good. Big up our respect. I don't know. It's a tape. Guys are never. Guys are never rape. Yeah. Bounce! 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 Bombard! I want the amplifier. Don't do that right now. Bounce! Hey, a 3 minutes now. A 3 minutes. A 3 minutes now. A 5 minutes now. My DJ. It's Dong a town. Quality boss. Big up my teacher. We link up and go and do it. They know say no, me know say right. I say they know me go away circle. See? One quality boss. See? Mad respect outside. So the G start him own a thing and now say don't know. We need the support. Yeah, Madam Bad. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Down a town, so down a town now. Alright, I know my friend. Big up. Down a town, bro. So it have the ups and downs, you see me? You will go through, that's what I say, in everywhere in life, you have to know which path you walk. Which part you walk, which part you tap, which part you chop, tap and chat, and all of them things there. If you don't know, don't do it. You see me? Alright, and now that's our Paris Street. You see me? We now go that side there. Nah, we go on that side there. Yeah, no. See him down the side where I go down my way. Paris Street. You know, a big black, one outside of the Paris Street. Come in, go down that side. No right, I know my teacher, big respect, hear that?
3 cup of Get them one. How long you alone and do that?
Yeah. It's good. In a them the door. Yeah. I want to let them know something that for we tell them what they are about how in the stadium pack. Sometimes. I got you. I got it. Godfather, step on it. This is Matthews Lane. Well, Matthews Lane, but then call it Matthews, but a Matthews Lane. So we'll go for one of the best store them downtown too. You have a few big stores like this too. You don't know, big up to Big Ras Enterprise. You see me? Yeah, Big Ras, big up every time. No joke, big up Iconic Fashion. We'll go for Iconic Fashion right about now. We'll go right to Iconic Fashion. Good evening. Big man, don't run, don't run. We are the last ones. So massive, look good. Iconic Fashion, no joke. That's why I tell her from early, said don't run. Yeah, big up to one of the big women around the spot. You know what I mean? I just say get the latest fitting shorts, shirts, pants, everything, jacket, everything. Over on the side there now, you don't know which are the whole of the bad beats them there when it comes down to kickers, iconic kickers. No joke, no doubt. Look good. At the place, Matthews Lane, Iconic Fashion. If you want the latest things, them will just drop fresh right here. So I remember you don't have to be worried, you know. There's no heat in there. We have the AC system normally in there, so you know in the cool and nice and fresh. So you know we have to talk about the outside before we jump in on the inside. You know what I mean? So from the latest beat, latest kicks, everything, AC, everything, so you don't have to fret. You're not gonna burn up if you're there at the eat outside for the Iconic Fashion and cool off and buy. Big woman not turn our face. No. Are we afraid that me tell us I don't run? What go on? What the latest? We have the blush now, you not show off your beauty now. You understand? All along you have a bunch of talk now, you know. Now you see look at camera roll up, you freeze up. You not sleep. Me know. See that, so I walk for now video, you know. Wanna do over so, wanna bleach over there?
Oh, I know, I get t-shirt last time, somebody have to sort them out for this morning.
As my Gia tell me. I want to win there, see all the big go. Hey! Yeah, they know me, I crowd in there. Oh my, see there? All me step in and a cool off. Iconic Fashion. Ooh, goods pan top of goods. This, my friend want me not heal me. Oh, you not heal me? Hey bro. Hey, no heal me now. Go along with there and give me no heal now. The forward no man. Yeah. That is it. So we're there. Yeah, at the spot this. This is the spot. See me read. Me just reach a Iconic Fashion. No joke. We tell you the truth. You understand? Yeah. So we talk about the latest them. Look good no man. And on a dibby thing. I would that no Vybz Kartel himself. Like our new and improved Vybz Kartel. Or them did the dark so clean. Big up no man. Yeah. What this? Look good. Some of them ask me if it's a record, but guess what? It's a tape. Gaza never rape. Look good. New beats. Everything there you know. Right from Matthews Lane. Where G them deal with the snapback, the kickback, The star them. No doubt, no joke. See them here? Look good now, man. That is it. I'm going to talk about the jeans them. Look up, look up, look up. So as much as me there are going to showcase the store and think me a cool off in a free AC. Big up yourself, my friend. Free AC we are going easy. Everything when they fall to fashion and clothes, even underwear, them got it inside here. No joke, no doubt. Look good. See? Madam Bud, even shorts. Shorts. Iconic fashion. No joke. See? Yeah. Them cater for everybody. Forward and buy. Everything got to go. We are talking about the L-Star shirt, them. Everything there. Look good. I mean. We talk about quality over quantity. Look good. Madam Bud. And here's a pass through again here, my friend. Take it easy. I'm glad this is all I think them reaching and now say, you know, say Christmas look good. Figure that outside. Madam Bud. What's her eye again? Where your eye from? So I'm a friend that. So she clean today. Clean. Look good now, man. I want a drink. So what a new thing here? So no bust me on it. How this? Blouse and 77. That how chat to buy? Oh. That is it. 77 on a day like this. So remember the iconic kickers over here. So no joke, no doubt. The latest in a footwear. Right over here, so. Madam Bud, everything you want. Me I tell you. See? Brands done. Come in. Come in also when you forward, watch out. You still have to forward out with sitting in the hand. Can't help it. Look good now, man. Yeah. That is it. Me see here. Figure that you don't have to pull it out. That is it. Iconic fashion. You can't go in there now, buy. Figure that. So far, I get it up. Cool, my friend. Yeah. No joke, no. Manners. Iconic fashion. I don't know Matthew's Lane. One link. You know, with a beat one of them 77 they do. When I 77 them with a beat one. What them with a drink? You need a 77. Yeah. Everything. We can talk about. Man, everything.
We have fill out the dress, we have blue dress, white dress, any color dress, come upstairs, come look. I agree to all the first show up on the top floor, so come upstairs.
Oh, bombard. Man, that's how we chatted. I hear beats, man. Yeah. I hear saying all along. The blouse and skirt are over and stuff. Yo, I don't know how me that pass my teacher. Sometimes my music I play nearby, you know, copyright stay, I move fast. You see me? So watch out now. I could deal with it right now. So look good. Blouse and skirt. New Balance. Bombard. Just touched down. Look good. Right as so. Bedford Street. All of the kickers them from Jordan to Puma, New Balance, Air Force, everything got to go. Everything have to sell. Let me G them there. Look good now, man. Man, our boom there. Big up every time, no man. Oh, see proud back. Yeah, boom, big up every time, no man. That is it. You can't afford a Bedford Street if you not like boom. That me I tell you. See, look good. We say, and that's rich. Even the jersey them there, look good, no man. Them say Kartel touch road. That's the box. Me the record. Me say no, it a tape. Gaza never rape. Look, no man. Buggy and boom. Figure that. Easy. That is it. See the jersey them here? Look good. No joke, we deal with quality over quantity. Look good now, man. Madam, what's your t-shirt them? Look good now, man. Yeah. Decent fitting. Bossy boy fitting. New Balance. Madam bad. Watch out. New Balance. You can go New Balance shirt and New Balance fan fees. Easily. No joke, my bro. Yo. Boom, big up yourself now, man. No joke, no door. Look good. Jaja know. See the beat them here. Amari, Gucci, all of that, Air Force, Nike, everything. Bad. Everything. One down a town. Bedford Street. No joke, no doubt. Big up and respect. Hear that, bro? Respect. Man, you can't miss. Alright. Oh, no fire.
Yeah, upstairs and it. High grade store. Remember me tell you, we have the good things, the bad things, we have the dumb jump up with your foot and send me kill and refill the turkey. Ladies, ladies garment and fit. Come and get him, come and get him.
When the man when they get the promotion and sell us, never complain, let them now say. Kaluma Joseph. Yo, promotion now. Connect back. You're not going to come to the rest of the week and next week. You tell me say not even 5 o'clock yet and the them done. Yo. I'm a general, you know. Yeah, man. And even 5 o'clock yet and the them done, bro, God. Must remember this morning when I pass, oh, ram and stack up. Jaja no. Watch out, Dalia. Watch it, Dalia. Hold them neck pass. No joke, no done. Boy, me rate your hustle, dog. Rate your hustle. Neck pass. So this is my general. Him just juggle jerk neck in the street. Watch good.
My side on the Jaden Tops and roses. Stop on the screen and share life.
Listen to it. One Branston.
Alright, baby. Put them in your pocket.
Wait, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Look for me like over here, son. Look for me like
10 out of 20, 10 out of 10. I don't need no one by. I'm not telling you. Big up yourself, that's all I'm saying. You have a business, you can shout out, and you can get a shout out on Instagram, anything. You know the on TikTok. You know like there's something with that body there. I'll chop there in and there, down at all. You're crazy. You're crazy, man. Oh yeah, in the video you tell about a while ago, yeah? No man, you can't sue me, no man, because you come in the street and give me all of the right thing. You big up yeah, so massive. Yeah, that is it. So, the doll, see the doll, yeah, me not get your face, her body's here, watch them and look good. The doll, some of them pick up her friend business. So right us up on Bedford Street, and she have all of the supplies them from yo, to fabrics after. She have all of the, hey, see the cake soap, I watch her cool like me wash her face with the cake soap. I know me still wash her face with the cake soap, but now see how me young. And that's side of forward from, look over here, so. When I hear Cardi B say, what that soft land, and that is it, make it all sweet. And Sabi tell her one day, that is it. We have all the action around there, so. No joke. Look good. Big got that, Fabrice, Sierra, the good body, look good. Oh, what's your name? Desiree. Desiree go hide the face. We still a selling business. Scotch Brite, she have from a pink to anchor. You have from all the toilet plunger, everything there, your kitchen coming. I go again. And our next business right over there, so what she says, socks and all of them good things. Oh, I'm going to go over there. You know what I mean? So big up over there. Boom boom. Big up boom boom. I know chun chun. One boom boom. Big up. Anything in Dolly say that me are working because right now, you can't pay me for video that Dolly a while ago. Mama look good, watch it. 10 out of 10, look good. That is it, man. Shape nice, ready. Big up yourself, elbow bumps here and take it easy. You look like a business woman. Yeah, you can't show up on you. You're not big on the business, tell me let me big it up. None of your business where you can't liquor. You have a grocery wholesale shop or enterprise. Big up every time, man. One love here. Jamaica walk by your city. Nice, good body lady. You see me? Yeah, see our socks business over here, so. Yeah, she said, big up the socks business. She said, big up the socks business. I see them from every kind of socks. She have it. Madam body. Outside. Branston, they say 10 out of 10. Some like when the beautiful ladies, them just don't shy and just ready, you know? Take like that.
Blows are 3 days, 300 blows. 300
down at all.
300 blows.
No, I'm a teacher, not right now, see?
Watch where you go and make sure you don't lick and squeeze nobody.
Make sure you look where you go.
Yeah, Jamaica walk, man.
Boss, reach again.
Look at nice. It's like a walk by there. You are dealing with a special.
It's a special treatment.
We have a special delivery team.
You got special here, my friend?
And at the same time, we are selling 150 jello for Rosetta cards. God said, you shall not live for yourself alone.
No, not at all.
So you see your grandma there, me I said 2 jello for grandma, because we are eat, so grandma.
Have to eat. Respect and manners, man, brawling.
Grandma money. Everybody you see, put on grandma money for your child. Right over here.
Easy.
Sell another jello for grandma, $100.
You the buy yes?
Remember good no man. Casa living.
Casa living.
That is it. So you see for the luxury dollar by the girl. Yeah. This is for 15 days, but me I give her for the $1,000. All courtesy of Jamaica.
Yeah, that is it.
Subscribe to the channel. Up on YouTube, type in Jamaica Walk by TV and subscribe and click the bell so you get all notifications.
That is it.
Thank you.
Watch it, boss.
Casa living.
Casa living.
Fully Gaza, you know the thing going on. Watch it now.
Shut up. When they ask me for the record, me I say, wait, a tape.
Watch it now. It's a tape.
Yeah.
Gaza. Remember me, when you have a post them up, you know the thing go. Dark. When you do the interview and thing, you know what you're doing. We say when we jump up in the morning, them does a sell so.
Yeah. Viral for TikTok.
Teacher go swag them. I guess when teacher come out in a trailer, him and the girl them, me not have hand, bro. Me not have hand.
And the name teacher roll out in there now.
Free t-shirt, bro. Me have a barrel of them, and the barrel almost done.
Me make you work it here, so be so forward.
No, you can't catch her body too, because she don't do Brazilian butt lift, no BBL, original curve. You see, I look at Dolly face and I look at cherry lips, you know the thing, but watch her now. We just have her a plus, every time we talk, she smile. So watch her now, Jamaica walk by, we deal with that. So remember, Casa living?
Casa living.
That is it.
Watch it there, watch your foot, watch your foot. Careful, no bad driver. Big up yourself, bro.
Alberta red fish 2 and 4. 2 and 4 get Alberta red fish.
My Brandon, don't at all, dog. Yeah, my boss, there outside, see? Big up our wrist. You know, so I look for you and I say, yo, and then me look good enough. Big up. Yeah. Dog, I work. Brandon, yeah. Watch your back. You're not in the room temperature water, bro. Ah. I get one of the water there, you see me? Oh no. How much you don't want? You have changed runs? Ah, no. Good. Big up. No. Yeah. You're good though. Yes, good. You go and do it. Respect the house, hear that. Don't stop, you know. Yes. And don't give up, hear that. Yes, good. No joke. I mean, so when time you get hard, if you tap, you know, the harder you get in there, you go harder, you know. Yeah, cause if somebody push you, and you not push back the same force in there, you know, so they might push away. Yeah. So when the time get harder, you go harder. Yes. Big up and respect, make a bus this year then. Pull off this on my teacher. You know the garbage bin, we can dash this way right away. You left it there? Alright, big up and respect, no joke. We outside. Big up again, man, and respect. And take it easy, hear that? Heart of love.
3 up 250 100 for 1, 3 up 250 100 for 1. Me have kiwi, me have pear, me have kiwi, me have pear, me have kiwi, me have pear, me have orange, me have kiwi, me have pear, me have orange, me have kiwi, me have pear, me have orange. 3 up 250 100 for 1, 3 up 250 100 for 1, 3 up 250 100 for 1. You put your own toes in the Again, look what Jesus and we did. Come take a look at it. 12 and 1,000. 12 and 1,000. Look what Jesus over here. 12
Man as my teacher. Big up to all of the G them down at all, and I tell you. Some of the highest fashion inside that you know, bro. Yeah. It's all that generally sell dating, it's nice. There are shoes, have a shoe store beside the two man. Crazy dog. So the next one is up. The next one is up too. Bad. I'm going to showcase the place. Man has respect. Yeah. That's so hot. Hot spot, bro. Everything. When it comes down to shoots. Probably I open myself like maybe Grand Market there or something. No, then recently fix it up. You do quick still enough, so I'm not really sorry, you see. I'm sure. So see the Coronation at the market over there saying one thing. Yes, I used to be parking right outside of the market. Everything full up dog. Be a problem to go home and all that. Most people are away from all the highway bus and them type of things. Nah, get that to go home. Young boy, where will I be, Clip?
Where am I, Ben?
Blouse and skirt, everything Chris do. Yeah man, me go there now man, me go there now man, but me I look for the condition, how it's set up, you see? Pass me a pass him, I know a long time I'm not reaching or so. Vehicle park everywhere. Yeah. We still don't at all now, no joke. So we just walked through the bus park and on my left you have Tivoli Gardens. Right outside the big football field behind the wall here. And up the road is Tivoli Gardens on my left, and then you have Beckford Street on my right. You see me I say? So we just show you the vibe down at town going into the Christmas. It's just crazy. This morning couldn't find nowhere to park, nowhere to walk, but you see me, it's a vibe, same speed, you see it. Big up to Coco every time and all I massive them from Tivoli, you see, big up. Big up to the Tivoli Gardens Moral Project. You know what I mean, with the artists them forward in and paint up the walls and them thing. Right now, I can't wait to get a tour over there where the showcase of beautiful. Like I want to do a real tour of all of them. But no, what heap of artists over there right now are paint. So I'm going to wait till them finish. And we just did it and you don't know a thing go. Coco, we are deal with. Big up yourself now, man. Jenna. Alright, we'll walk through the market a little bit and then we eat back Bedford Street. Alex, you know what them place? Branson? Alex said no, sir. Yeah. You can't say down a town if you're not come forward at them place. At them place are the real down a town. When I hear some people say down a town, and them place have to be the real down a town. Yeah. Don't know. Tivoli Gardens. Tivoli. I go through that. Yo, go get that girl that two bills and just pay for your pound. Just give her, yeah. Just give her, man. Just give her and just left it. You don't want to take her out. Just give her, I just buy one. The way she us, just go give her, man. That little girl in that thing. The way she us, just give her. No man, it's good. It's just a support I think, you see it? That what my bag is. No, this one. I respect her hustle, bro. I would nobody not did it. She a ball out. 150 for your carrot, bro. She just a do her thing. So I respect that hustle there, dog.
$50 bird food, $50 bird food.
You were forward inside the Coronation Market? Oh, when a little. My mother do this every Thursday, bro. Because Thursday she come shop to go sell back in a whole Harbour market. See me? Oh yeah, what go on? Me from all over. See, I move up there so. And then move buy from, you see me? Yeah. I don't know people if you don't know you know so brother, you're not coming now. So big old man. Look around on the I show now look a bit of vibe of Coronation Market in the evening. You see. Nowadays seems like most people sell on the outside still. And most of them gone out now, that's the evening is upon us. Youth, pick up yourself, bro.
Personal over here, ammonia, amaranth, salt, and bleach powder.
Warrior.
One on ocean, trade. One on ocean, trade.
I'm spending a whole heap of money by fund and game. Nobody can talk about that no more. I'm only people take care of it. And I'm only people take care of it.
Time for that, sir.
think I'm me alone, that's it. Hot soup.
Hello, really?
Sorry, 600. 600.
Brown man, see that?
I'm just again.
Stop look upon and to buy something now. Oh, you don't know some natural juice for the sell out, you know. Sorry, carrot and pine, cherry and pine, beetroot, carrot, guava and pine, ginger, street tea, there are some new things for you. You don't know, so clean glue. Dirty on the town with them, man.
Work clear. Fast, the gear, Work clear, sir.
Which one of them? I don't see that, you know. Oh, with the white bunny? Oh. One. Ask him, white shirt.
Come over more.
Get you? Oh, the soup.
They pull the last money now.
take a look at it.
We're clear, sir. We're clear, sir. We're clear, sir. We're
Grape and sell out £1,000, 5 days off pound. Grape and sell out £1,000, 5 days off pound. Keep and 250 on the phone. Keep and 250 on the
China boy can't do that shit.
Can't do this. We can't have black people them brawling. I want to hear man Jamaica walk by.
Yes.
Remember good. I got a low show it. They know what come next. I Basta living.
Basta living.
Remember good man. Do this and people trying.
YouTube. Artists, bird them a fly. Them a bird and a living on the sky. Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk
by. Jamaica walk by.
Mike.
Bye. Shut up, big up yourself and I make you go up and the big up and respect, man. Grand Market there and the day when we are there again. See? That is it. Outside. Shut up, fashion. I'm out.
That is it.
Outside. China boy, do that and beat shut if you're bad. Can't do that and beat shut. Man. One shut fashion. Outside. So you massive enough, if you love the vibe and thing, if you love the whole energy of Downtown, you know what I mean? The Christmas edition. Yeah, blessings and respect. You know what I mean? And make sure so you give video crazy likes. And them thing there. Like up the video and all of the great things them, you see me? Look at my boy top.
Big up all the tight ones, y'all. Look for the line. Right here. Look for the line.
Blouse 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm nice, man. I'm being nice. This is good and nice. Me have blouse, me have ties, me have shorts, 3 shots, 500. Yeah, look on them blouse, everything there, everything there.
We have just the church. Any occasion, link up Bible store for the church step. And we have $1,000 jeans for the fan jeans and the any jeans at 1,000. Walk over and store, come take a good look. High grade store with the good jeans.
Outside I go, you see? Big up, bro. That is it. Everywhere you turn off, my G, fashion never done. You know, honestly, we don't know nowhere like this. In a world we set up like this. Like, everywhere you go, you can find clothes and everything. I don't think, we know nowhere. In a Jamaica, we set up like downtown. God, you must smell so sweet, man. What? You beat KFC body, the dog. Just walk past a while ago, my nose mash up. That's a way there. Oh, bad. Fried breadfruit, fried fritters, festival.
Come down and come over here.
Alright, I could do it. I will set it. But see that one, go there, sir. You know, we're not buying no beautiful. We're not buying right now. Here.
You look like a she.
Sorry, baby.
Underpants.
I'm not my friend. Friend, can introduce you to my YouTube channel, Jamaica Walk By. Usually in the street and this is something. No, I'm not believe it. Yes, I actually say, I'm down there, so. Listen, but usually when I see a girl stand out to try to talk to her, and yeah, that girl, you afraid of it? I can't get Instagram a shout out. Because a while ago when I turned back when I actually see the, you know. I swear. I can't go back on it right now because I'm still a record, because I have to make them see say, a real thing I talk about. If you don't give me them notes, you don't give me. You understand? I say, but you look gorgeous, so come out. You understand? Very beautiful, very shaped, nice. I like we do the little piercing, the smile piercing, nice. Big up myself, where you fall from? Oh, Rockford. Yeah, so you can't shout out the Instagram, the TikTok. Boyfriend now go cuss, man. Oh, you don't go on it? Jeez. Yeah, one of them go on it, go fast and laugh. Yeah, so I bring you down at home. Christmas shopping. That is it. So it's a one. It's a beautiful Christmas. I'm here asking for just safety guidance and just love. Yeah, make sure you don't have service, maybe you subscribe to Jamaica Walk By right now if you can. Are we not afraid to come walk with man, man? Nah, listen, man, we are beautiful and look good, man. Before they think about Robbie, they come to and say, "Hi, baby, where you come from? Yeah, we can't get a socials." A different thing, my friend. Another one there. But big up yourself, you come right out. Until we can't hide and video again. She must out that. But what I do, I do walking videos. So I walk and I showcase the natural vibe, the natural ambiances, talk to people, help people sell, showcase people, businesses, all sort of things. As you can see, we just go and film, we walk through, showcase what people see, and the shooting are very high quality. So all I foreign people, they want to see Jamaica for a long time, they get to see, especially in Christmas. We've been doing a Christmas edition, where for the first week in December, we did down at town, straight up to the last one. Yeah, where you come right out. Big up myself. I can't get to give your Instagram a shout out. So all of my masses that I watch is not me. She says she don't really use the social, so I can't give her a shout out. So no don't cost me ass and me been talk. Very nice girl though, very nice. She decent, she not run me, we not nothing. Just a great vibe and thing. So big up and respect. I remember the name Jamaica Walk By. I never have no card. I can't them done. But blessings. Remember, you know, so you give me a follow on Instagram. Give me a message, me make me know so you me that tattoo. I go hold you to it, you know. Sing him and say, I promise. Seriously. Big up every time. Jamaica Walk By me. I look for it, you know. Respect a man and see. Take it easy. Bye. From morning, non-stop.
Me a fitness sneakers, run come on the tent and me a sell out the fitness sneakers and me a sneakers for all the people them, run come on the tent, me a girl fitness sneakers, me a boy fitness sneakers, me a fitness
So yeah, massive, we're downtown Kingston.
Lady pants are toes, me have knickers, skirt and shorts, toes of dollar ladies jeans. Lady, come look at them pants, they are toes of dollar man pants. Lady pants are toes of dollar man
Link me now. New jeans, new shots, new
I will tell you. One TV in here. One TV in here. One TV in here. Jamaica. Walk by. Yeah. And if my boy now watch that, you can tell the world. Good by. Yeah. Die for now watch Jamaica walk by. Yeah. Yeah.
We're not going up.
Down our town. Down to the fans. You know, Sammy Jamaica walk by. Yes, boys. Thousand and a bunch. Thousand and a bunch. But Ali called me name, you know, so I done it done. Hello? How are you? Good afternoon. Fine girl. How's your family? Thousand and a bunch. Thousand and a bunch.
Ladder. Hold on, wait there. Where Joseph? Where meaning gone? Where Joseph gone? Where Joseph? Him so forward? Sell out, sell out. A-star, A-star. Outside. So massive, it's all about downtown Kingston, Bedford Street. Me open and enjoy the whole vibe walking downtown. And it's been a great video. No joke, no doubt. Open and enjoy it. Yeah, it's just been super great. Love it. You understand? So this is a video with the natural vibe, the real vibe, the energy. Pretty much, we just walk through. We can't even tell you exactly which part and which part we went, but it's just great. Shoppers them come out and the numbers, they see food, they see everything, and they don't know my ends right. So big up to Joseph. Our Joseph gone under there with the light, man. Yeah, we need the light, the man thing right. So blessings and respect to everybody watching video straight to the end. No joke, no doubt. It's been wonderful. We're outside. Hard so.